Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and that iOS is current. This prevents installation errors. Next, open the Airalo app and sign in because purchases tie to your account. Choose the country or region you need. Pick data size based on days and usage. Once done, buy the eSIM. Airalo charges immediately. Make sure to keep the confirmation email and QR code accessible. You will need them to install the profile on your phone. You now install the eSIM profile. Go to Settings, Cellular, then add Cellular Plan, scan the Airalo QR code or paste the activation code from the app. When prompted, label the new plan so you can identify it quickly. Decide which line is for data versus calls. Make the eSIM your data line if you want mobile internet only. Once added, enable data roaming, otherwise the profile won't connect abroad. Finally, restart your phone to finalize network negotiation. You finish by confirming the cellular data icon shows signal and testing a web page. Check your active balance in the Airalo app to ensure the plan activated. If you don't get service, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, restart the phone, then reselect the carrier in Settings Cellular Network selection. If that fails, remove and re-add the eSIM or use the activation code again. Make sure to contact Airalo support with the activation ID if problems persist so they can provision the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.